Let's add some in-text citations for my non-database sources. So these are the sources that I was able to use the Citations tool to create. I have a film, a book, and a web page article. So I highlighted some sentences in my essay where I need to add these in-text citations. The first one is this sentence right here, and I use the documentary for this particular idea. So all I need to do is put my cursor at the end of the sentence before the period. I'm going to press space, and then hovering over the source in the Citations tool, there's an option to cite. I'm going to press cite, and notice in parentheses we have now Burns and Novick, the author's last names. That is the complete in-text citation for the source. The next sentence that I need to add an in-text citation to is right here. The war left millions of Vietnamese civilians dead or wounded and millions more displaced from their homes. I got this idea from the Vietnam War book that I read. So same idea, I'm going to put my cursor at the end of the sentence before the period, press space, hover over the source, and press cite. Notice that this one asks me to put a page number in here. Because it was a book, I should have a record of where I got this information in the book itself, and I do. It was on page 92. Notice there are no commas or anything else inside of these parentheses except for the citation and a page number. I'm going to scroll down to the last source here that I need to enter. The Vietnam War led to many protests in the United States as people demanded an end to the war and questioned the government's choices. I'm going to put my cursor at the end of the sentence before the period, and I got this information from the history.com article that I read. So I'm going to press the cite button, and notice it is a complete citation. It's not asking me for page numbers because it was not a book. And there you go. That's how you insert your in-text citations when using the Google Citation tool.